how to turn on or turn off relapse recording on Blackmagic. So if you're recording using the Blackmagic camera and you want the Blackmagic camera to show your relapse recording on the screen here to show how the recording speed is or the time of the recording, most especially if your time code is set to TOD, which is time of day, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if I don't know this, you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first one to do is go ahead and open the Blackmagic camera app on your phone. Once open the Blackmagic camera app, click on settings at the bottom right. Now on the settings page, locate time-lapse recording here and then turn this on. Once you turn that on, you should see capture one frame every turned on. Then you can just click on this and select the total number of frames you want to capture per second or per minute. So once you turn on time-lapse recording, you can come back to camera and I should see the time-lapse recording here. So if we start recording, then you're gonna see your time-lapse recording on your Blackmagic camera. So if you come back to the settings page like this, then disable time-lapse recording, come back to camera, you discover that it's no longer available. You see that? So that is basically how to turn on or how you can easily turn off time-lapse recording on Blackmagic camera. So if you found this often informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.